Imagine reaching thousands, even millions of potential customers without leaving your home. Welcome to the power of digital marketing. This force has transformed our world, revolutionizing how businesses connect with their customers. It's given us the ability to cast a wider net, reaching a vast audience far more efficiently and effectively than traditional marketing methods. No longer are companies limited by geographical boundaries or the constraints of print and broadcast media. The digital landscape is vast and ever-evolving, providing opportunities to tailor and target your message like never before. And it's not just about reach, it's about interaction, engagement, and building lasting relationships. It's about understanding consumer behavior and leveraging that knowledge to meet their needs and wants. Digital marketing is not just a trend, it's a game changer, and understanding its components is key to harnessing its power. When you type a query into a search engine, ever wondered how the results pop up? That's the magic of SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is like a game of hide and seek, where your website is trying to be the first one found by search engines. In simple terms, it's a technique used to make your website more attractive to search engines like Google or Bing. The more appealing your site is, the higher it ranks on search engine result pages, also known as SERPs. Imagine your website as a billboard on a busy highway. The more visible it is, the more people will see it and the more traffic it's going to get. That's what SEO does for your website on the internet highway. So, how does SEO do this? It's all about keywords, quality content, and links that make your website relevant and trustworthy in the eyes of the search engines. SEO is like the compass of the digital world, guiding potential customers to your online doorstep. Every word, image, video, or social media post you share is part of content marketing. This is the essence of the digital world we inhabit. Content marketing is a strategic approach centered on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. Its purpose: to captivate and maintain a clearly defined audience, ultimately driving profitable customer action. Think of it as the art of communicating with your customers and prospects without selling. Instead of pitching your products or services, you're offering information that makes your buyer more intelligent. The crux of this content strategy is the belief that if businesses deliver consistent, ongoing, valuable information to buyers, they inevitably reward us with their business and loyalty. Quality content is the cornerstone of all forms of marketing, from SEO to social media, and it's the heart of a successful digital marketing campaign. After all, it's the content that attracts, engages, and delights customers. In the realm of digital marketing, content is indeed king. Social media. It's where conversations happen, opinions form, and brands thrive. It's the bustling city square of the digital world, where everyone has a voice and the opportunity to make it heard. This is where social media marketing comes into play, a strategy that leverages the power of platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to connect with audiences, build brand recognition, and drive website traffic. Imagine a world where you can reach millions of people at the touch of a button, where you can tailor your message to resonate with your audience, and where you can engage with consumers on a personal level. That's the world of social media marketing. By creating engaging content and fostering a dynamic online community, brands can establish a strong online presence, grow their customer base, and boost their bottom line. In the digital age, social media marketing is your megaphone, amplifying your brand's voice across the globe. Digital marketing is like a vast ocean, teeming with opportunities and potential customers. As we navigated through its expanse today, we've touched upon its significant impact on businesses. It's the wind in the sails of companies, propelling them further into the market, reaching audiences previously thought inaccessible. We then delved into the heart of digital marketing, examining its key components. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the compass guiding your business to visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you in the vastness of the internet. We explored the world of content marketing, the captivating stories and useful information that reels in the audience, creating meaningful connections and trust. Lastly, we tackled social media marketing, the bustling marketplace where you can engage directly with your customers, fostering relationships and building your brand's community. Diving into the world of digital marketing might seem daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start exploring these components and watch your business reach new heights.